Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So today video is best video for all of you because as you know Neutrino Plus is not working and now it's not increase your Instagram likes. Then what you need to do to increase your Instagram likes? So today in this video I will give you the solution. You need to download just one app from Play Store. Okay, you need to download just one apps from Play Store, so it will really helpful to increase your Instagram likes. Okay, so you just need to download, select here Neutrino Flash. Okay, select first. As you know, this is Neutrino Flash. Okay, what you need to first of all install it. Okay, so I already installed it, so I just open it. Okay, open. So it's already open. Okay, so now select your categories. Okay, if you uploading your picture from weather. Okay, if you uploading your picture from related to nature, related to car, related to food, select your categories. What's about your profile, what's about your categories account. If you use your Instagram account too, you have already know that your Instagram account have you know uh, another categories like car categories, foods. Select your categories, which categories you upload your pictures. So now I am just upload my pictures in car categories, so select cars. Okay, so you select cars. Okay, so you just see over cars, car ride, drive, text for likes. So copy text. So you need to copy all tags. Okay, copy it. So I'm copy it. Okay, so it's very helpful to increase your likes. It's tags. Okay, you just put it in your Instagram photos. Now I'm going to gallery. So this is car, Lamborghini car, the best, the one and only best car in the world. Lamborghini best car. Okay, so I'm going to share it to Instagram. No, share feed feed. So select. Now you need to next. Now what you need to write about your picture. So best car. Now you need to paste here your tags. So it's about the tags, and it's also about tags. If you tags Lamborghini, select Lamborghini for me. Also select Lamborghini. Lamborghini automobile. Just select share. So it's sharing now. So okay, now you need to click on this behind. Okay, so it's easy. You need to follow the steps in copy text and paste into your pictures. So enjoy the video. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to click the bell icon. So like the video. Okay, bye, take care.